our amiable governor, His Excellency Samuel Adorogo Oton.
Since 2017, when we were overseas, some were not even from here. Some have gone back to their various places. But I think the figures I have here is not accurate. But I decided if I have the resources, I will do better than what we have done before and what we are doing, and even in supporting the security agencies. Because even as a federal government agencies, I'm aware and I know that once you're posted to Benue State, you're here to provide service for Benue State. And that is what has been going on. So, with the limited resources we have, we'll continue to support and assist the security agencies as we've been doing in terms of providing logistics and help to ensure they accomplish their assignment here. But I felt that for today, as a sign that we respect our fallen heroes who in the past, just from 2017 to date, the security advisor will still do more and give you the accurate figure, because what I'm seeing here is a mixture of farmers who were killed and all. That is not what I really wanted. I wanted those security men who were killed in the course of duty from 2017 to date, including those ones that were murdered in cold blood in Konshisha. And just as in way of media package for them, we will approve that, because the last count I knew that there were over 100. The one I'm seeing here is different from the figure I was given. So they'll be subject to verification if we still have them. And we will approve the sum of 500,000 to each of the family. This is not enough, but it will cushion some of the pains that they are passing through in their various homes. So once again, we want to, so for each family, we will take up to 500,000. So if they are up to 120, that is 60 million approved from the state government to support their families. Once again, I appreciate our security agencies, appreciate the region and the families of our fallen heroes. And pray that God Almighty will help us, as He has done before, that peace will be restored and all of us will begin to add value because of the development of our country. Thank you once again, and God bless you all.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.